Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install VirtualBox on Parrot OS 6, but the process is same on all Parrot OS versions. Okay, first verify whether we have any pre-installed VirtualBox comes with Parrot. See here we don't have any VirtualBox. Okay, now open terminal. First update the packages. Sudo apt update. It is done. Control L. Now install the VirtualBox. Sudo apt install VirtualBox. Hit enter. Type 5 for confirmation and hit enter. See here it is installing 7.0. See, installation is successful. Now go to start and verify VirtualBox. See here we have the VirtualBox. Click on it. See, we have the VirtualBox manager. If you want to create virtual machine, click on new or machine and select new. Both are same. So in this video we have successfully installed VirtualBox on Parrot OS 6. But the process is same for all Parrot OS versions. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.